Lee Self-Development TV. Promising jobs in 10 years predicted by GPT 4.0. Welcome to our video on the top 10 promising jobs in the next 10 years. As the world evolves, new opportunities arise in many fields. Stay tuned for what careers will be in high demand over the next 10 years. Data scientist. First on the list is data scientist. In an era where data is the new gold, these experts hold the key to gaining valuable insights from vast amounts of information. Expertise in analysis and interpretation is invaluable to companies and organizations across industries. Renewable energy engineer. As we move towards a greener future, renewable energy technologists will play an important role in harnessing the power of sun, wind, and other sustainable resources. These experts will maintain and develop new systems to contribute to a cleaner, more energy-efficient world. Cybersecurity analyst. With the rise of cyber threats, cybersecurity analysts are more important than ever. These digital guardians help businesses and governments protect valuable data and resources from cyber attacks, ensuring a safer online experience for everyone. Medical specialist. Healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, and specialists will still be in high demand. As telemedicine become more common, these professionals will adapt and continue to provide the highest level of care to those in need. Artificial intelligence and machine learning engineer. Next we have AI and machine learning engineers. These experts will revolutionize industries by designing, developing, and implementing algorithms that enable machines to learn, make decisions, and automate tasks. Robotics engineer. Automation continues to change the world, and robotics engineers are at the forefront of this change. They will develop and maintain state-of-the-art robots used in industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. Mental health specialist. As awareness of mental health increases, the demand for mental health professionals will increase. Therapists, counselors, and psychologists will provide essential support and guidance to individuals coping with emotional and mental challenges. Augmented reality and virtual reality developer. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are rapidly changing the way we interact with technology. AR and VR developers create immersive experiences for gaming, entertainment, education, and more, which will become a very popular profession in the next decade. Biotechnology researcher. Biotechnology researchers will develop new drugs, treatments, and technologies to push the boundaries of medicine and improve human health. Their research will lead to breakthroughs in disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Remote work consultant. Finally, a remote work consultant will help organizations embrace the remote work revolution. They will train employees, develop remote-friendly policies, and help businesses adapt to this new working environment. Consider these exciting opportunities to shape your future as you plan your future for promising careers in the next decade. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.